The Ukoke CT1940 Cordless tiller cultivator offers exceptional convenience by eliminating the need for power outlets, allowing unrestricted movement during gardening tasks. With a powerful 280 maximum revolutions per minute motor and 24 steel blades, it easily tackles tough soil and weeds, ensuring efficient plowing and soil management. Its user-friendly design includes an elongated shaft and additional handles, reducing the need for bending and making it accessible for gardeners of all ages. This versatile tiller is suitable for various yard sizes, from small gardens to medium yards, and excels at both soil overturning and edging. Eco-conscious gardeners will appreciate its quiet operation and emission-free performance, which contribute to a serene and environmentally friendly gardening experience. The tiller's 40-volt, 2-ampere lithium-ion battery offers extended operation time, efficiently covering up to 600 square feet with a quick recharge time.